This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult the manual for complete instructions and safety information. This is a pedestal mounting poles, which supports and hold the Doorbird. Doorbird is a gate or door access device. Using modern sensors, 4D technology, RFID reader, and keypad module. The pedestal mounting poles help protect the Doorbird from rain and sun, especially strong storms. In this video we will show you step-by-step installation of a kit's Doorbird and pedestal mounting poles. Kits include a pedestal mounting pole, the wire electric D2101KV door station and case, and screws, anchor bolt. Step 1. Positioning the pedestal. Step 2. Install D2101KV case. Step 3. Wiring and installing Doorbird face. We are completed. Contact us today, 832-499-9880. Thank you for watching.